to Katie's Playtime, and so today I've got another puppy, and this puppy is called Bella. She's an English Springer Spaniel, and she's only 10 weeks old. So I'm just going to show you how to play with a beautiful puppy and just see how beautiful she is. She looks like a rabbit, don't you think? She's actually growing in her ears and her paws. So she's a bit tired at the moment, but let's see if she'll play. Come on! Okay, so we're gonna play Find It with Bella, and this is what you do. Get her to sit, then cover her eyes and hide the treat. And let's see if she can find it. Bella, you want a treat? Come on then, come on. Come on, sit. Sit, Bella. Find it, where's the treat? Find it, sniff it out. Where is it? Where is it? And there you have it. She's found the treat. And that's because it's in her bloodline. She's an English Springer Spaniel, and they even use them for the police force. This is Bella, the English Springer Spaniel, and she is a sniffer dog. Well, it's not her job, but it could be. But I just play the sniff it out game, and we have lots of fun. She sleeps all day, plays all day, and she likes to bite, and she's got big needle teeth. Arr. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you in our next video, won't we, Bella? Bye! She loves belly rubs.